Okay, there you go,
And I
Angie.
also like to do this too, giving students like choice boards.
Yeah.
And do what they want to do. Okay, so you can see right here where I've got click here.
Mm-hmm.
So when I go here, do you see I'm having it go to the next slide?
Mm-hmm.
So here's the next slide. So here's open for discussion. I'm linking that to slide 6. So there's slide 6. Okay, because it's
Got
yellow.
it.
Right?
Got it.
And I also linked the different Candyland pieces, the objects, to slide 6. So if I want to link something, and I'm just going to wait for the text here. I'm just going to type in a text. So no matter what it is, if it's text, if it's an object, if it's an image, no matter what it is, you can link.
Yeah.
So when you go to link, instead of linking to the internet, I'm linking to a slide in the presentation.
Oh my
So I want to
God.
go back here and have that link to slide 13. I click and apply. So now when I go and do this, I click my text. Boom, it goes to slide 13.
That is so cool. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
And yeah. And here's another thing that I did with this too. So if they chose, if they're in this and they chose that they didn't want to do it,
yeah.
so now see your teacher. Well, they can't go on to the next slide. Well, I hid a hyperlink here on the Y.
Yes. Oh, I love that.
Talk to the kid and get them back to that page.
Oh my gosh, that's funny.
And I'll have them look over there, look quick, and I'll click that Y. So, but what's really great though is having the students.
Yeah, well, now that I'm trained on it, I want them to create like dynamic, PowerPoints like this, because that's what gets people, keep their attention, keep making fun, learning just engaging. It's important. So, but yeah,
sometimes what these kids come up with,
yeah,
and how they do it. And I know that I've got the template in here. I've shared it a million times. I've got just a blank template where it's already connected.
Oh, wow. Perfect. I'm gonna pause the